Yes, good morning children. Welcome back to our science class. Yes, what we discussed the topic yesterday. Yes, we discussed the topic yesterday that the movement in animals and so many animals in the world is moving from one place to another place in different ways like running, jumping, hopping and some birds can fly in the air using with their wings and some fishes, some aquatic animals can swim in the water by using their fins. Right, children? Yes. Why tell me why these animals are moving from one place to another place? Is there any reason? Yes. These animals are moving from one place to another region or another place. So today's our topic is reason to move. Okay. Yes, children. Note on the keywords: catch, food, escape, and hunt. Yes, children, tell me why these animals are moving from one place to another place. Yes, for example, actually you can see in the movies or any other National Geographic channel, some cheetah or lion can hunt the deer. Yes, children, why this cheetah can hunt the deer? What is the reason? Yes, cheetah or lion can runs after the deer to catch and eat them. Yes, yes. Why monkeys and squirrels also. Squirrels and monkeys, you can see they can climb the trees. Why these monkeys and squirrels can climb the trees? Yes, these monkeys and squirrels can climb the trees to eat the fruits. Yes, cheetahs and lions can hunt the deer for to catch them and eat them. Right, children? Yes. This way we know that animals and birds can move from one place to another place in search of food. Okay? Yes. And jumping of a frog also helping to escape from the snake, because snakes can eat the frogs. So they have to jump from one place to another place to escape from the snake. Okay, children? So that's why we can know that animals can move from one place to another place in search of food. Yes, children, animals can move from one place to another place in search of food and in search of shelter also. For example, so many birds. In the winter season, we can mainly see them from Russia to India. So many large number of groups birds from Russia can move to India. Why these large number of birds move from Russia to India? Is there any reason? Yes, one reason is that because in Russia the winter is very cold. So to get warmer, so many large number of birds can come to India to get warmer. So many birds were coming. These large number of birds move from one place to another place is called migration. This migration we can mainly see in the birds and in animals also. Okay, children? Yes, children, here you can see the image of the cheetah hunts the deer, right? So it needs to run to be able to catch the deer. Deer need to run to escape from the animals like cheetah and lion or any other animals that hunt them. Right, children? See the image, children? Cheetah is catching the deer, right? Yes, children, in this image you can see the bird is catching the fish to eat them, right? See that the bird is catching the fish with long beak to eat that, right? Now you can open your content book. Reason to move. Animals usually move in search of food. Some animals move to hunt for other animals. Other animals move to get away from animals that want to catch them. Tiger runs after deer to catch and eat them. D try to run away from the tiger to save themselves. Right, children? Fishes move to search for food. Squirrels and monkeys climb the trees to eat the fruits in the trees. Some animals also migrate from one place to another place. Sometimes they just move for fun also. Yes, children, here you can see the image of dolphin jumping for fun. And the another image, some migratory birds near Kolkata. Yes, children, now you can open your volume. As for reason to move, look at the picture and answer the question. What is a bird doing in that picture? See, the bird is catching the fish, right? And in the second image, you can see what is a big fish is doing. Yes, the big fish is trying to catch the small fish, right? Yes, you can see the third image. Why is the eagle diving into water? Yes, and you can move to the second question. Why does a rabbit move? And here you can see the large herd of elephants can sometimes be seen moving in the summer, covering large distances. Why do they do so? Yes, children, read the content book and complete the volume. Yes, children, thank you.